Want to get Threads back online without that pesky connection error? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix please check your internet connection error on Threads. The first thing you want to do is verify your network. For that, you want to toggle on the airplane mode. Once you have toggled it on, wait for a certain time. Then you again want to toggle it off. Next, you want to reconnect to Wi-Fi or data. If you're on Wi-Fi, tap your network and choose forget, then reconnect by entering the password again. If you are on mobile data, make sure data saver is off and Threads is allowed to use cellular in settings. Now, if your network is solid but Threads is still complaining, then you want to force close the app. For that, exit out of the Threads application, then open the app switcher and simply swipe up Threads app. Now reopen it and check if your issue has been fixed. If not, you want to open up your settings. Here you want to scroll down a bit and tap on apps or app management. A list of all the applications in your device will be shown over here. You want to scroll down and then find Threads. Then tap on it. Now from this list, select storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, launch Open Threads and check if your problem is fixed. You also want to make sure you're using the latest version of the Threads app. For that, open up Play Store, search Threads, and if you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Keep in mind that VPNs, proxies, or strict firewall settings can block Threads server, so disable any of these to test. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.